Hello everyone, and thanks for checking out my video. I just did some paint work on this, paint correction with a buffer on this car, and I wanted to do the trim. I did a small section of it with another product. I didn't care how it came out. You can see that it's streaked. So I wasn't happy with that. I got a chance to try something else. So what I'm going to try is Shiney's Bull Shine Trim Restorer. See how that works on this. See, I did up to the end of the driver's door. You can see the streaks, how it's streaked there. And I haven't touched from here back with anything. So, I'm going to give this a shot. Shiney's detail product. Let's see what I get. But the paintwork, I wish I did it before on the paintwork because it came out really good compared to what it was. There was no shine in this car at all. I asked the woman when the last time was she waxed it. She says, well, I take it to the car wash and I push the wax button. And there was no protection whatsoever. There was no beading on the car whatsoever. It just flat. I mean, it dried. I didn't have to worry about it drying in water spots because there wasn't any spots to dry and leave water spots. So let's see how this Shiney's product works. Be right back. Okay, so here's the result of the Shiney's Trim Restorer. Tiny bit of streaking, but let me say this, I guarantee you, this is 2004 Pontiac Vibe. Guarantee you nothing, absolutely nothing has ever been done with the trim or the paint work. But this, I tried a trim restorer from another company and it didn't come out any good. I wasn't happy with it. I did up until the crack there between the first door and the second door and passenger door, and wasn't happy with it. So I decided to try my Shinies, and this I'm happy with. I mean, I couldn't expect perfect because, as I mentioned, nothing has been done in this car. I asked the customer when the last time was she waxed it. She says, well, I ran it through the car wash and used the wax button. So that's her idea of waxing the car and then working on the trim. So great result with this. Probably if I went over it again, it'd probably come out even better. As like I said, it was dry, as you saw in the before pictures. So there you have it. Shiney's Bull Shine Trim Restorer. Excellent product. Definitely worth the buy. Thanks for watching.